Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Miss Dot. Tonight we're doing a chili cornbread. For my ingredients, I have ground beef, I have my onions, I have garlic powder, tomato sauce. I have, for my seasons, I have seasoning salt, chopped onion, brown sugar, a pack of chili seasoning, 1 can of kidney beans, for corn, Worcestershire sauce. I have an egg, just for my cornbread, for the topping of the chili. I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I have sugar. First, we're going to start with putting the oil into the skillet and sauteing the onions. Now we're going to add in the 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to let that get hot a little bit. It has started to sizzle, so we're going to go ahead and put the onion in. Wash my hands. We're going to cook these down. We're going to let these sweat out for a little bit, and then we're going to add in the ground beef. Okay, now that the onions have cooked down a little, we're going to add in the ground beef. Add in a little seasoning salt. And while it's doing that, we're going to do the cornbread mixture. Okay, for my cornbread, I have 1 pack of Jiffy mix, a 1/2 cup of cornmeal, a 1/2 cup of flour, I have 1 egg, and I have some hot water. If you don't have milk, use hot water. I'm going to stir this together. Oh, before I forget, a little taste of sugar. I love adding sugar to my cornbread. See how it's turning out. So I'm going to set this to the side until everything else is done. Now that the cornbread is almost done, I mean the ground beef is almost done, sorry. Oh my gosh. The ground beef is done. I will be draining this and adding the other ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, my chopped onion, my garlic powder, just a half a teaspoon of each ingredient. My Worcestershire sauce, my Worcestershire, my can of corn, my kidney beans, tomato sauce, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, regular sugar, pack of chili seasoning, now I'm going to stir this up real good. We're going to let this simmer for a good 5 minutes while the seasoning goes through. See guys, it looks so good. And we're going to spray down the glass pan that I'm going to be using. We'll be right back. Okay, now that I have let this simmer for a good 5 minutes, I'm going to put it in my pan that I have put some pan spray in. So y'all can see what I'm doing. You have to be careful because it's hot. out. Once I strain this out, I will be putting on the cornbread mixture on top. You know, if you love chili and you love cornbread with your chili, you can have two things in one, chili and cornbread at the same time. So, I'm going to spread this out. Make sure you get all covered on top. Then we're going to put it in the oven. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes so the cornbread can cook. And when it's done, I will come back and let y'all see how it look. Okay, now that it's done, out of the oven for 15 minutes. It look good, y'all. See? Well, if you like this video, cooking with Miss Dot, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And y'all have a blessed one.